Island Slipper is a family-owned company here on the island of Oahu. We've been making our slippers by hand since 1946. Originally founded by the Motonaga family and acquired by the Carpenter family, we focus on making our slippers the most comfortable and durable slippers money can buy. We use only the best materials from around the world and do not compromise quality for price. We also strive to use materials and production techniques that are greener and healthier because we care about our health, our islands, and our earth. In Hawaii, we refer to sandals as slippers. Slippers are not the warm, fuzzy things you wear on your feet inside the house. Slippers are what we wear outdoor every day, whether it's work or play. Island Slipper is excited to be working with Reyn another Hawaii brand focused on quality and craftsmanship, producing timeless and quality shirts. At Island Slipper, our slippers are made for life, island life.